done one of these. And when I say done one of these, I'm talking about going on an e-foiling mission. So, you know, back in Hawaii, we go e-foiling all the time. I haven't been e-foiling in Orlando since I've kind of moved back here. It's been a hot minute. So we're gonna go e-foiling. We got the e-foil all set up. We're gonna go over here to a lake in Winter Park and go for a little cruise. Butter, my friends, it's flat calm. It's gonna be a cruisy butter experience. We got the new Liftfoil E battery there. We got the battery. People always ask me, what's the battery look like? This is what the battery looks like. It's like 30 pounds. This is the board. There's a motor on there. It spins, it flies, it goes. So we're gonna get in the water here. It's a nice 70 degrees this morning. It's gonna be hot in about an hour. So let's enjoy it while we can, because you know it's gonna be hot real quick here. Look at the Raptor, just looking so good. The e-foil, the Raptor, they're like matching colors. Who would have thought? Look at that. Oh, color, color, color matching. It's like butter, baby. The lake is flat calm like butter. So we're gonna go for a little shred. This is the knife, that's the butter. We're gonna shred the butter. I'm thoughtful of the idea that we gotta make it back. So however far we go, we gotta come back, baby. You know, if you go somewhere, you gotta come back. Riding the e-foil on calm, flat water, because it's almost like hard to know how high you are, but we're cruising. Look at this thing. Whee! Little island in the middle of Maitland here in Winter Park. Who would have thought there was an island in the middle of a lake? But there's this little island, and it's kind of a cool story because my dad, when he was a kid, they used to actually come out here and like spend the night when they were kids. They'd come out here, go fishing, play around, and camp out on this island on the weekend or whatever. I think he would say that my grandma would like drop them off and they would just go stay on this island for a few days. Be better. Look, I'll do it. I'll do it, no big deal. I'll do it. Patrick Wieland will pick up the trash, you know? Look how easy this is. Pick up the trash, put it in the trash can. Simple. So yeah, it's kind of cool to think about that my dad, when he was a kid, would kind of come out here and live that island life for the weekend. Them devil alligators. Oh God, don't get me. Nah, them alligators never mess with nobody. Unless they mess with them. The only time you ever hear about someone getting bit by an alligator is when they like do something with an alligator, you know? So it's always questionable, like, what did you do to get bit by that alligator? It's questionable, very questionable. It's an absolutely beautiful morning. The sun still is not even out yet. It's behind some clouds over there, but the lake is flat calm. The birds are chirping. The crickets are chirping. Are birds and crickets both chirping? I don't think crickets actually chirp. Crickets rub their legs together, but the crickets are rubbing. The birds are chirping. Not a lot of people out on the lake right now. They're all missing out on this beautiful morning. I'm taking full advantage of the beauty here in Orlando this morning. Think about how lucky we are. I woke up this morning. I got to do exactly kind of what I wanted to do today. Now, I would have liked to have some big waves maybe, but hey, you don't always get exactly what you want. Sometimes you just got to get what you get, and you get what you get. So that's my little tidbit for the day here on this beautiful Saturday morning. Sometimes life just gives you stuff, and you might not even think that it's, you know, what you want, but it's what you get, and you gotta just make the best of it. So we're here in Orlando. It's a beautiful morning. I can't complain. Life is life, and life is life. Put that on a fucking bumper sticker. Life is life, my friends. Woo-hoo-hoo. how dangerous I am. I just want to prove that my GoPro doesn't float. So, living on the edge, baby. And it's on like kind of a janky pole too. So, it would be really easy to lose the GoPro basically. But we're not gonna lose it. We're almost done. We're at about 55% battery. We already turned around here anyway, so. Never been powder snowboarding, but this is what I would feel like it would be like. Just flying. Nice to get back out on the water, get on the E-foil, and just kind of have that nice, relaxing morning. No working out today. I'm gonna take a break from the gym. My muscles are already getting too big anyway. I don't want muscles to get too big. I don't want to get too alpha. Get too alpha, everyone will be just scared of me all the time. So I'm gonna get a few more little cruises in here, and then we just keep on partying, baby. Got back here to the launch spot. We're gonna load up, and that was a nice little buttery morning here on the Winter Park chain of chain of lakes. Whew, gets a little leg burner, to be honest. A little burn on the leg legs. So there it is. You guys came along for a little adventure. We survived. No alligator bites, no crocodiles, no pythons, no Billy bass swallowed me up or anything like that. So we're gonna load up everything and get on out of here, baby. Let's go.